Have you booked your very first cruise? Congratulations! You're about to experience one of the most exciting vacations of your life. But here's something many first-time cruisers don't realize. A few simple mistakes can turn an amazing vacation into an expensive and stressful experience. The good news? Every one of these mistakes is easy to avoid when you know what to expect. In today's video, I'll share 15 common first-time cruise mistakes and show you exactly how to avoid them, helping you save money, reduce stress, and enjoy every moment of your cruise. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, booking the cheapest cabin. Choosing the cheapest cabin isn't always the smartest decision. Many inside cabins are located beneath busy public areas, near elevators, or close to theaters where noise can continue late into the night. Before booking, study the ship's deck plan carefully. A quieter cabin often makes your vacation far more relaxing, even if it costs a little more. Mistake number 2, flying on embarkation day. One delayed flight can ruin your entire vacation. If your plane arrives late, the cruise ship won't wait. Whenever possible, arrive in your departure city one day before your cruise begins. You'll start your vacation feeling relaxed instead of rushing through the airport. Mistake number 3, waiting too long to book excursions. The most popular shore excursions often sell out weeks before departure. Instead of waiting until you're on board, research every port in advance. Booking early gives you more choices and often better prices. Mistake number 4, packing prohibited items. Every cruise line has rules about what you can and cannot bring on board. Items like clothing irons, candles, heating devices, and certain electrical appliances are usually prohibited. Always review your cruise line's packing guidelines before closing your suitcase. Mistake number 5, forgetting important documents. Without the proper documents, your vacation could end before it begins. Keep your passport, boarding documents, identification, insurance information, and any required visas together in your carry-on bag. Before leaving home, double-check everything one last time. Mistake number 6, skipping travel insurance. Many travelers see travel insurance as an unnecessary expense. But unexpected medical emergencies, flight cancellations, lost luggage, or missed departures can cost thousands of dollars. Travel insurance protects both your vacation and your budget. Mistake number 7, ignoring the cruise app. Most cruise lines offer free mobile apps that make your trip much easier. You can reserve restaurants, check daily activities, monitor your onboard spending, and receive important notifications. Download the app before your cruise and learn how to use it. Mistake number 8, overpacking. It's tempting to pack for every possible situation. But remember, cabin storage is limited. Bring versatile clothing that works for multiple occasions instead of filling your suitcase with outfits you'll never wear. Packing lighter also makes traveling much easier. Mistake number 9, arriving late at the cruise terminal. Traffic, airport delays, and long check-in lines are impossible to predict. Plan to arrive early. Having extra time is much better than running toward the ship while worrying about missing departure. Mistake number 10, not paying attention during the safety drill. The mandatory safety drill isn't just another formality. It teaches you where to go and what to do during an emergency. Listen carefully, learn your muster station, and follow every instruction from the crew. Safety always comes first. Mistake number 11, overspending on board. Cruise vacations can become expensive if you're not paying attention. Specialty restaurants, drinks, shopping, casinos, internet packages, spa treatments, and shore excursions all add up quickly. Set a daily budget before boarding and monitor your spending throughout the trip. Mistake number 12, returning late from shore excursions. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is arriving back at the ship after departure time. Remember, the ship follows ship time, not always local time. Always plan to return well before the final boarding time to avoid unnecessary stress. Mistake number 13, ignoring the daily schedule. Every evening, your cruise line provides a schedule of activities for the next day. Many first-time cruisers never read it and miss incredible shows, entertainment, workshops, and special events. Take a few minutes every night to plan your next day. Mistake number 14, forgetting about extra fees. Although cruises include many services, not everything is included. Gratuities, specialty dining, premium drinks, internet access, laundry services, and some activities may cost extra. Understanding these charges before you sail helps you avoid unpleasant surprises. Mistake number 15, trying to do everything. Many first-time cruisers feel they must participate in every activity. The result? They return home exhausted instead of relaxed. Remember, it's impossible to do everything. Choose the experiences that matter most, slow down, enjoy the ocean views, and create memories you'll never forget. Your first cruise should be exciting, relaxing, and unforgettable. By avoiding these 15 common mistakes, you'll save money, reduce stress, and enjoy every part of your vacation with confidence. Have you already been on a cruise? Share your best advice or biggest lesson in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart travel tips, cruise guides, and destination inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.